Good evening everybody. Today I will show you how to create shortcut. How to create shortcut for a given file and how to use recycle bin and how to restore the file. My name is Bidan. I am a computer started a microfarm computer network. First what I will do, okay. Now whichever file you want to create a shortcut, go to this Windows Explorer. Go to Windows Explorer. Now select some file. Okay, select some file. Now whichever file you select. Suppose I want to create the shortcut for this file, and I want to bring this file to the desktop. Okay, right click the file, then you have option to add, that is use send to. Okay, use send to. Then you go to desktop create shortcut. And whatever the file that is there in this Windows Explorer will go to the desktop. Okay. Now once if I click here, now see, now this file will be readily available as a shortcut on the desktop. Okay. Once again I will show. First you go to Windows Explorer. Okay. Now which file you want to create a shortcut? Select that file. Right click on that file. Then you go to send to create shortcut. Okay. Now see, now the shortcut is created. Once if I open, that particular file will be open. Okay, like that. And one more you have. Now suppose if I want to remove unwanted files. Suppose if I want to remove this file, whichever file you want to remove, delete. Okay, all the deleted files, where it will go? It will go to an option called recycle bin. Okay, in a recycle bin. Recycle bin is like a dustbin. Okay, all the unwanted files will come here. See, all the unwanted files will be saved here. Okay, now it is saved here. Okay, now like that. Now suppose if I want to remove this file. Okay, whichever file you want to remove, select it, then press delete. Okay, now where it is gone? It has gone to recycle bin. You go to for recycle bin, press R. Okay, click on this. Okay, now see, you press my computer. HHK is here. Okay, see this my computer is here. And whatever the file is deleted, it will come back to the recycle bin. And now again I want to restore it back. Again I want to restore the file back to the normal position. Okay, again right click, you go to restore. See, again it will go back to the normal position from where I deleted. See, again if I minimize, it will go back to recycle. It will go back to normal position like that. Okay, again go to recycle bin. Again if you want to restore the first file which I deleted, click on this. Again you select the file. Which file is that? This one. Again if you want to, suppose if I don't want, what I will do? Once I press from here, now what will happen? Once if I delete the file from the recycle bin, again I cannot restore. Totally the file will be removed from the memory. Okay. This is the way how we create recycle bin, how to restore the file, how to create shortcut. Okay. These are the things which you have to remember. Okay, thank you.